Magkaliyong nagawa't gagawin ang lahat.
What you'll need are the following: fresh lemon, fresh garlic, and fresh ginger. Now I like to roll the lemon along my countertop to make it easier when it comes to squeezing out the juice. Next, I prepare the ginger. You can cut off as much or as little as you desire. And then I prepare the garlic. After this, I grind the pieces in my grinder. You can use a grater if you do not have a grinder. Now, I like to use a grinder because it grinds the ginger and the garlic to a very mushy, paste, making it easier for all the juices from the ginger and the garlic to infuse into the tea. Next, I get a measuring cup for mixing my concoction, as it makes it much easier when it comes to pouring the contents into a tea mug. So now we're going to put everything together. Squeeze the lemon juice into the measuring cup, then add the lemon and ginger. Next, we want to add half a teaspoon of turmeric and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Once you've done this, you want to boil some water, then pour it into the measuring cup. Now this next step is optional, but I like to add 2 lemon ginger tea bags into my mixture just for extra potency, but as mentioned, this is optional. Then I leave it to infuse in the water for about 2 to 3 minutes. So after allowing the ingredients to infuse, you want to strain the tea into your favorite tea mug to avoid any ginger and garlic residue getting into your tea. Although you can consume the garlic and ginger in your tea if you choose to. Now this concoction is exceptional for relieving colds and flu-like symptoms, fevers, sore throats, and tonsillitis almost immediately. And that's due to its antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. Be sure to check the description for more information about each ingredient used in this tea. And at this point, you can add your desired amount of sugar or sweetener. So I'll just list a few benefits of each ingredient used in this tea. Lemon is the most versatile natural medicine for home use. It is high in vitamin C content that helps improve resistance to infection, making it valuable for colds and flu. Garlic is an ideal herbal medicine, being completely safe for home use and a powerful treatment for a host of health problems. It counters many infections, including those of the nose, throat, and chest. Ginger is also one of the world's best medicines. Its anti-inflammatory properties can bring relief to problems such as headaches, migraines, joint pain, indigestion, as well as colds, flu, and fever. Turmeric is recognized as a medicinal food with almost unparalleled health benefits. Its powerful anti-inflammatory action makes turmeric a key remedy in many chronic health problems, including allergies, arthritis, diabetes, and psoriasis, where long-term inflammation is usually a major underlying factor. Cinnamon is an ancient medicine traditionally used to treat colds, flu, and digestive problems. It is also taken to help stabilize blood sugar levels.